In this demo, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to upload an exception file and view taken and received electronic exceptions in Railinc's car repair billing application. Exceptions are one or more disagreements with a billing repair card line item or an entire BRC that is brought to the attention of the billing party by the billed party as defined in AAR Rule 83 Exhibit A. Billing exceptions may include issues like incorrect car initials or numbers, repairs related to EHMS alerts where no alert is found in the EHMS data, excessive quantities, hours or material charges, etc. Exceptions are processed through car repair billing, either via FTP or the upload function in the CRB application. Log into CRB using the appropriate road mark. Railinc provides a template to help you prepare your exception files prior to upload. To download one or more templates, select Exceptions, Download Message Templates. Select the template from the drop-down list and select Download Template. For file formatting details for each file type, see Appendix Y of the CRB Procedures Manual. The electronic exceptions file for upload must be a compressed zip file that includes an exception spreadsheet and may include any supporting PDF attachments to successfully upload to CRB. Select Exceptions, Upload Invoice Exception Files and Responses. Select Choose File and select the appropriate file for upload from your system. When the file is selected, the file name appears next to the button. Select Upload Exception File. A confirmation email will be sent to you letting you know if the file has been accepted. When a file is accepted, Railinc processes it and sends it to the receiver, and the email includes a link to the report. To view exceptions that your company has taken, select Exceptions, View Invoice, Exception, and CBA Files. Select the Exceptions Taken tab. Filter the data by entering a date range and file name. You can select to display data for all or only the last 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. Select Search. To download a zip file, select the file link. To view exceptions that your company has received, select the Exceptions Received tab. Filter as appropriate and select Search. To download a zip file, select the file link. Select Home to return to the Welcome page. That wraps up our brief overview of how to upload an exception file and view taken and received electronic exceptions in Railinc's car repair billing application. Contact us for more information.